Hello everyone, today we're going to make a square bomb. And to do that, all you need to do is put one on the left, one on the right, one on top over everything, one on bottom over everything, and then one in the middle over everything. And then all you need to do is pinch it down and then slide it into place. So under, over, under. And there you go. You have your square bomb. Now all you have to do is separate it at one corner, and there it goes. Now let's see it in action. Thanks again for watching, and try this one out. This one might be the easiest, but if you ever need a quick reference, leave this video a like and subscribe for more advanced stick bombs. I will see you next time.